Good evening, Friday, the 29th of May, 2026. The Australian share market roared back today. The ASX 200 surged 1.62% to close at 8,731.7 after ceasefire extension talks between the US and Iran calmed global markets. Oil prices fell, investors rushed back into risk assets, and tech plus mining stocks led a powerful rebound. Here's everything you need to know. The rally was driven by easing geopolitical tensions. Reports overnight confirmed another 60-day extension in US-Iran ceasefire negotiations that reduced fears of oil supply disruptions and triggered a major rebound in global markets. Bond yields eased, oil prices fell, and investors aggressively bought growth stocks again. After Thursday's heavy sell-off, buyers were waiting for a reason to jump back in. Judo Bank jumped more than 12% after investors reacted positively to a major funding deal. 4D Medical surged after landing a major US healthcare contract. Tech giant Xero rallied as investors rotated back into premium growth names. Mining giants BHP and Fortescue bounced strongly as commodity sentiment improved. Energy stocks lagged the broader market as falling oil prices hit producer sentiment. Gold miners also underperformed despite easing bond yields. Sector performance tells the story. Technology was the strongest sector. Materials and consumer discretionary stocks also rallied hard. Meanwhile, energy and defensive sectors underperformed. This was a classic high-risk, high-growth rebound session. Outside equities. Oil prices fell after ceasefire hopes reduced supply concerns. Gold stayed relatively flat. The Australian dollar slipped slightly to around 71.6 US cents. And iron ore prices stabilized after recent volatility. Looking ahead, traders will be watching three major things next week. First, Wall Street and the US tech sector. Second, oil prices and any updates from US-Iran negotiations. And third, Reserve Bank expectations as energy prices continue falling. Quick recap. ASX 200 surged 1.62%. Tech and miners led the rally. Oil prices eased. Markets remain highly volatile. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the next ASX Market Wrap. See you next week.